John Wick gun review about his 2011 from John Wick 3. And it's right here loaded with 10 bullets. And I'm going to shoot it at that target.
Range is hot. That's it. Not too bad, one in the center. What's up, everybody? I'm shooting a 2011 at 25 yards. We've got some ice cream bet. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
If I don't hit it, what do I have to buy you?
Ice cream.
All right. What do you think? Do you have ice cream coming?
Yeah.
Do ya?
Mm-hmm.
Do ya?
Yeah.
Do ya?
Uh-huh.
No.
Down.
Oh. 2 shots hit the paper. Still getting ice cream though, no matter what. All right. Hey everybody. So it's come down to this. We're all done shooting. We had a little shoot off before. I won. Now, hey, don't kick me. Now we got another shoot off. If I can't hit this target with 2 shots on the 22, what do you get, Tyler?
Ice cream.
All right. Do I get to try, or do you want me to shoot really fast?
Fast.
All right, I'm gonna try. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What do you think?
You missed.
I bet you I missed. Second one was high. I want to miss, so you know why? Because if I miss, we get ice cream.
No, you said I get ice cream.
Oh, I don't get ice cream?
Yeah, I get ice cream.
Oh, I missed. Right here. 2 shots.
I get
No
ice cream.
for me, just Tyler.
I get ice cream. Guys, we just got the ice cream, and the mini one is from my mom. We picked her up because we made her get ice cream.
We didn't make her. She wants ice cream. Because
Yeah.
who doesn't want ice cream? Okay. So,
I'm gonna eat that.
all right, I'm going to spit in Tyler's really quick. Kidding. Mini for Mom. 1 giant chocolate custard for Tyler.
It has M&Ms in it.
And a Snickers for dear old Dad.
Thanks for watching, and my dad's bad at shooting.